I'm Nikita from Steadfast Nutrition, and we have Mr. Atinderjeet Singh here and Mr. Aman Puri from Steadfast, and we would like to ask few questions to them. So, what are your thoughts behind this event, and what are you expecting, and what do you foresee for Steadfast being associated with this?
So we are here to see the young talent. We're here to see how the people are prepping themselves for the IHFF Sheru Classic in December and the Amateur Olympia. And we're here to support at the regional level so that we can encourage the youth of the country to participate in more such fitness and bodybuilding competitions.
What was your idea behind organizing this whole event?
मैम जो हमारा आइडिया था इस इवेंट को स्टार्ट करने का, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अनाउंस द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एनपीसी का प्रेजेंस अनाउंस करना इंडियन बॉडी बिल्डिंग में। उसका सबसे बड़ा रीजन क्या है, एनपीसी को प्रमोट करने का, एनपीसी के साथ अटैच होने का, बिकॉज हम सभी बोलते हैं दैट वी हैव टू डू द बॉडी बिल्डिंग लाइक अमेरिकन वे, द यूएस वे, हाउ द बॉडी बिल्डिंग इज डन देयर। सो जो एनपीसी को यहाँ लाने का मेन मकसद है वो है कि ताकि इंडिया की बॉडी बिल्डिंग को हम वर्ल्ड लेवल की बॉडी बिल्डिंग के साथ उस पैटर्न पे एडजस्ट कर सकें, उस पैटर्न पे लेके आए जो कि पिछले कई सालों से नहीं है। And now NPC is here for the grassroots bodybuilding to the levels of pro qualifiers in association with Sheru Classic, and after that in association with IFBB Pro League till Mr. Olympia. So your journey for the Mr. Olympia starts right here from the NPC, the local shows, the state shows, and the zonal shows like this one, North Zone. We are doing NPC North India right now. After this, we already are going to participate in Mumbai Sheru Classic and Amateur Olympia. So this is the very basic foundation of Indian bodybuilding that we are going to lay down.
Okay, great, sir. And would you like to say something about your association with Steadfast? You've been a Steadfast athlete since a very long time.
Absolutely.
And what was your thought behind, coming to Steadfast first when you came up with this event?
First of all, it all started with just trying one protein session, and after that, it was all open. And now the most important factor that we associate with Steadfast is the only one reason: the quality, the standards, and the authenticity of both of the brand and the people. So that's why I am still associated with Steadfast, and this event, the most trusted event with the most trusted organization NPC and the most trusted brand in the Indian market is Steadfast. So it's all about trust.
Great, sir. Thank you so much. Steadfast Nutrition presents NPC North India Bodybuilding and Physique Championship. Thank you.